Hey, it's Sandy, and today we have a really beautiful nail art tutorial for you guys. Juli is going to be mixing together some nail polishes to create this stunning sheer black lace manicure. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for more awesome DIY nail art designs.
Hi guys, it's Julie. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the button to subscribe below for new CutePolish videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now let's get started. Begin with a base coat to protect your natural nails. Next, we're going to need a sheer black polish. To make this, mix 1 part black polish with 3 parts clear polish. If you're just doing this design once on a few accent nails, you can mix up a small amount, or you can make a whole bottle of sheer black like I did. Next, I applied the sheer black polish to my ring fingernail and my thumb. You might need 2 or 3 coats to get this color to the right opacity. Let that dry, then you're ready to add some details. I'll be using a nail art brush and black polish to do a lace design. I started off by making 3 bracket-shaped lines to divide my nail. Next, I painted a crisscrossing lattice pattern inside of the bottom bracket. Then on top of that bracket, I used the body of the brush bristles to make clusters of 3 petaled ruffles. Next, I added dots along the middle bracket and half-circle ruffles on the top one. But remember, this is your design, so you can really get creative and do any sort of pattern you'd like. On the rest of my nails, I did 2 coats of a mauvey rose-colored polish. Before you apply your matte top coat, go over your lace design nails with a normal fast drying top coat to ensure the design won't smear and give a smooth finish. And to take it up one more notch, I added some black rhinestones around the cuticle area of one nail. This will also tie all the nails together. And you're finished! Don't forget to click the button to subscribe below and click the info card on the top right of the screen for more CutePolish videos. And for more tutorials by me, check the description box for my personal channel.